Welcome friend, welcome to our channel Quality Guru. Friend, today our topic is quality culture. Introduction about quality culture. The quality culture in the pharmaceutical industry is a collective commitment of the employee to uphold and embedded quality in every aspect of their work, driven by leadership, leading to improved patient safety, regulatory compliance, and business success. Quality culture deeply ingrained mindset goes beyond following good manufacturing practices to foster accountability, transparency, early issue detection, and a commitment to continuous improvement throughout the entire life cycle. Origin and history of quality culture. The origin of a quality culture in pharma stem from early quality by inspection method, evolving to formal good manufacturing practices in the 1960 era, spurred by tragedy like thalidomide. This shifted to proactive QA and quality management in the era of 1970s and 1980s. With the 1980s ISO 9001 standard pushing global consistency. The concept of quality culture emerged in the early 2000s, shifting from mere initiative to a systemic, integrated mindset where every employee is accountable for quality. It's a journey continuing today toward advanced quality maturity. From inspection to systematic quality. Early days, pre-1960s era, quality was largely about quality by inspection, relying on individual pharmacists and rudimentary final product testing to ensure quality. The focus was on individual skill rather than standardized processes. The 1960s crisis and regulations. Tragedy like the thalidomide disaster highlighted the need for formal oversight. This led to the first FDA GMP guideline and the establishment of quality control units. 1970s and 1980s formalization and global standards. QMS become legal obligation with mandated process, documentation and validation. The 1987 launch of the ISO 9001 standard began to harmonize quality expectation globally. Emergence of quality culture 2000 onward. Early 2000, the concept of quality culture formally emerged, driven by a need for holistic life cycle quality rather than just post-production inspection. Shift to proactive quality. The paradigm shifted from a focus on detection to prevention, with the quality becoming a shared responsibility across all departments and level of the organization, from technician to executives, from culture to maturity. Over the last decades or two, the focus has evolved further into quality maturity, where quality is an inherent automatic part of the company natures and not just a specific initiative. Key principle and characteristics: patient-centric focus, leadership commitment, employee engagement, continuous improvement, transparency and accountability, integration of quality. Patient-centric focus. A strong quality culture centers on patient safety and well-being, fostering a deep understanding of the impact of medicines on patients' lives. Leadership commitment. Top management's unwavering commitment and role modeling are crucial for conveying the importance of quality to all employees. Employee engagement. Employees at all levels are empowered, their opinions are valued, and they are encouraged to take ownership of quality within their roles. Continuous improvement. A commitment to identifying and addressing issues proactively, leading to enhanced efficiency and reduced cost. Transparency and accountability fosters an environment where quality processes are visible and individuals are accountable for their actions related to quality. Integration of quality. Quality is not a separate function but it is integrated into every process and decision across research, development, manufacturing, and administration. Benefits of a strong quality culture: improved product quality, enhanced patient safety, regulatory compliance, increase efficiency and cost saving, increase trust. Improved product quality leads to higher quality medicines by embedding quality into every step. Enhance patient safety. Enhance patient safety minimizes error and ensure products are safe and effective for patients. Regulatory compliance facilitate adherence to GMP and other regulations, strengthening relationship with authorities. Increase efficiency and cost saving. Proactive identification and resolution of issues prevent costing errors, waste, and delays. Increase trust. Build trust with patient, regulators, and customers. How to build a quality culture: leadership engagement, employee involvement, data analytics, role modeling, proactive auditing. Leadership engagement: leaders must actively participate, visit the shop floor, do Gamba walk, and communicate their commitment to quality. Employee involvement: encourage feedback and involve employee in quality improvement initiative. Data analytics: use real-time data to monitor processes, identify anomalies, and make predictive quality management decisions. Role modeling: identify and promote individuals who embody the desired quality behavior and values. Proactive auditing: conduct self audits and